Ever wonder why some people have flawless skin, while others battle with common skin issues like acne, hyperpigmentation, and dryness? Well, understanding skin health is not as simple as it might seem. It's a complex subject that requires a deep dive into the world of dermatology. Acne, a common skin condition experienced by many, is often the result of blocked hair follicles. Oil, dead skin cells, and other substances can clog these follicles, leading to the formation of pimples. To manage acne, it's crucial to maintain a consistent skincare routine. This includes cleansing the skin twice a day, using oil-free skincare products, and regularly exfoliating to remove dead skin cells. Moving on to hyperpigmentation, a condition that causes patches of skin to become darker than the surrounding areas. This happens when an excess of melanin, the brown pigment that produces normal skin color, forms deposits in the skin. Dealing with hyperpigmentation involves using sun protection, as exposure to the sun can cause an increase in melanin production. Additionally, topical treatments containing ingredients like vitamin C, retinoids, and hydroquinone can also help to lighten dark patches. Lastly, let's not forget about dryness. Dry skin can be a result of various factors including cold weather, heat, harsh soaps, and long hot showers. To combat dry skin, it's advisable to use a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer, limit shower time and water temperature, and use a humidifier to add moisture to the room air. Did you know that CAPTREO is a triple combination topical gel that contains clindamycin phosphate, adapalene, and benzoyl peroxide, which may be used to treat acne in adults and children aged 12 and older? CAPTREO topical gel is a medication prescribed for the treatment of keratosis, a condition caused by excessive exposure to the sun. It contains ingenol mebutide, which induces cell death in the area. To summarize, managing common skin issues involves understanding the root cause of the problem and adopting appropriate skincare routines. For acne, this means maintaining a regular cleansing routine and using oil-free products. For hyperpigmentation, sun protection and topical treatments can help. And for dry skin, using a gentle moisturizer and controlling environmental factors can make a significant difference. Please remember that CAPTREO topical gel is available with a prescription and should be used under the supervision of a dermatologist or healthcare professional. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or a skincare professional to get a personalized skincare routine that addresses individual skin concerns. In the quest for healthy skin, knowledge is indeed power. With the right understanding and care, managing common skin issues becomes a less daunting task. Exploring our media pages is a valuable suggestion to gain more information about CAPTREO topical gel. So the next time you look in the mirror, know that you're armed with the knowledge to take on any skin issue that comes your way. Your journey to clear, healthy skin starts now. Subscribe and follow Pharmacy for more updates.